Welcome back to the Ultimate Pronunciation course. It's our honor to be with you every step of the way. In this lesson, we'll learn to pronounce the ul sound. This is the last one of the 8 core sounds in this course. Are you ready? Here we go. This is the sound you hear in words like list, fallen, and well. You can find the ul sound here in the IPA chart. Ul is a voiced consonant sound, so your vocal cords should vibrate when you make the sound. Let me show you how to make it. First, open your mouth slightly, like this. Now, raise the tip of your tongue to touch the back of your top teeth, right where they meet the alveolar ridge. The back of your tongue should be very low. Look at the diagram here. If you do it correctly, you should be able to hold the sound for a very long time, like this. Ooh. The biggest mistake English learners make with this sound is curling their tongue back, so be sure that the tip of your tongue is in the right place. You should notice a slight vibration of your vocal cords because ul is a voiced sound. Oh. Go ahead and give it a try now. Now, let's practice the ul sound with our 3-stage technique. We'll hold the sound for 3 seconds, then 1, and then we'll say it normally. Here we go. Oh. 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 Now it's your turn to say the sound. Brilliant! You're off to a great start. Pause to give yourself some practice time now if you need it. Okay, now, to get really comfortable with this sound, we need to use it in some words. Remember our 3 words from the beginning? Alright, listen carefully, then repeat after me. Ul, list. Now it's your turn. Ul, fallen. Ul, well. Alright, so the last thing we'll do is to practice our words using rising and falling intonations. Here we go. Don't forget to say them after me. List, list. Now you try. Fallen, fallen. Well, well. You did a wonderful job! The ul sound can be spelled with 1 L, as in cool, leader, and local. Sometimes it can be spelled with 2 L's, as in spell, grill, and fill. You can also find it followed by a silent E, as in while, style, and little. Well, that's it for this video. You did a great job. Now you're ready to move on to video number 2 for more practice. Bye!